Hello, welcome to this training. Today being the second day of this web designing series, we are going to cover customizations. And customization is all about editing our WordPress, our website, that is adding a tagline to our website, adding site icon and logo, adding widgets, also sidebar. What is widgets? A WordPress widget is a modular element that enables you to add a specific features to your website. That is, it can be added to different areas of your website, such as a header, footer, and sidebars. So let's get started. First of all, you have to start your localhost, Xampp. Okay, start your localhost. Once you click that, you'll have this open. You click start Apache and start MySQL. Once that is done, then head over to your browser. Then you type localhost /wp tutorial, which is the name of your folder, your website folder. Then you have something like this. Now says /wp-admin for you to log in into a website as the admin of the website. So you have to log in. I'll have to log in with my credentials. Go back to my desktop where I saved the login credentials. Just copy the password. Username admin. Password is this, which I copied. Login. So once you are logged in, then you head on to appearance, you go to themes. So currently we are using this theme. So each version of a WordPress comes with a particular theme as a default. The default theme for this version of WordPress is 2022 themes. That is, they release themes yearly. So but what we are going to do for easy customization, because we've tested so far and see that to customize we have to refer back to previous versions for easy customization of your website. So I'm not advising any of you to use this to customize this 2022. So what we are going to do here is to customize this. So this is what is called themes. Anyway, we've explained this earlier in our last video, what themes are all about. These are themes. So we are going to use this theme. So we will activate this. First of all, you activate it before you can customize it. So after activation, then you can now see customize. This was the previous activated theme. So we are going to use this, customize. So it will bring you to this page where you can see several menus that comes with this theme. We have site identity, we have color and dark mode, we have background image, menus, widgets, home settings, Xampp settings, additional CSS. So you can change your theme from here if you want to change it. But let's go to site identity. Site identity is where you add a logo to your website. You add the logo, you add the website title. If you want to change this website title, you can change this. You add the tagline, which we said earlier. We are going to add adding of tagline, adding of site icon and logo, and widgets and sidebars. Then we come here. First of all, we need to add a logo. So make sure you have your logo ready somewhere that we are going to use. If you've uploaded it to your website, you can go to media library and add it. But if you not upload it, then you just select files Once you click the select file, you have to locate where you save your logo so that you can upload it. My logo is in my picture. I will just try and locate it. Save picture, logo, open, select. So this is the dimension for the logo. So they want me to crop it to have this particular a part of the picture, but we just shift it up like this and have it this way. Crop image. You can crop, you can skip cropping too. If you skip cropping, the whole of your picture will come out, but if you crop it, you have a particular part of the logo you cropped, which is what I have here. I've added logo to my website. Now this is the site title. I can change it if I am so desire. Website design series. And this is the tagline. You can now change this tagline, which is a form of a slogan or a motto for your company or your brand rather. Just you can display this tagline on your website. You can also hide it. Once you uncheck that, it will hide and it won't be visible on your website again. If you publish, because for any changes to reflect on your website, once you are done customizing, you have to hit this publish button. Once you are done publishing, you can go to the next tab, type localhost / the name of your website folder. Here you have this. This is my logo. As you can see, my tagline is not showing because I hide it. If I take this display and I hit publish again, and I come here and refresh the page, I'll have this WordPress site design series, learning the art of web design skill. Okay, let's continue. Then the next thing is to add the site icon. Site icon is this icon, this topmost icon that is on. If you visit every website, you must see this icon at the very top left corner of that tab. You'll be seeing this small logo here. It's what is known as site icon. Currently, the default site icon that shows on each and every website designed with WordPress is a Xampp icon. This site icon is meant for Xampp, so we are going to change our own. We just check this, select. So they will also ask you to crop if you so desire. You can crop it. You can crop it, you can leave it as well. Let me just shift it so that it is centralized here and crop. This is a preview. Crop image. The image is cropped and I have it here. I can remove it, I can change it and replace it with another logo. So I will hit publish so that it will reflect on my website. Once you are done publishing, you can head on to the next tab and refresh the page. There you have it. This is the site icon, this is the logo. So the next thing is adding a widget. So before that, this is a colors and dark mode. That is, we could, as you can see, the background color of this website is a kind of or a dark either a dark blue, sorry, a light green also. Then you can change the color from here. You can change it to any color. This is the default color. Maybe I could just copy it, maybe if I want to use it before changing. So I can just change the color to any color that I want my website to be. This is how you change the color of your website. So once you're done changing, for these changes to reflect, you have to hit publish. So if I come back here and refresh the page, I will have the whole background color changed to something else. It's changed. So I can go back there. I don't like this color. I like the color that comes with it. I'll just say default. Yeah, everything went back to the color that comes with the theme. Let's tick this and see what happened. Doesn't have much of effect. Let's publish and see. It's a dark mode effect. Refresh. Okay, it doesn't have much of effect, so I'll just remove it. Then go back. The next thing is background image. That is, we could add an image as a background to our website. Let's test it and see how it works. I'll go back to upload files. Then let me just go to, I'm not sure I have background images in this system to use, but I can download one and just open another tab and search background pictures. For website design, for website, just click this. I'll just click images from here. Images. Okay, these are different backgrounds that you can use for our website, but it's not always advisable to search on Google. You can search for royalty images. Royalty images are free pictures you can use for your website, because if you just come to Google and you search a picture and use it for the background for your website, once it's on a production mode, that is, once you host that site on a live server, if people that have that image, that put the image online and saw the picture in your website, they could sue you to court because you are using their picture without their prior notice. Maybe they might not want you, they may not want you to have the right of using that picture. Either they are selling it, they can sell it to you, or you contact them. But if you go to open another tab and you search for royalty images or royalty pictures, which is royalty free pictures, then from this Shutterstock, all the pictures there are for sale. They are not free. This Unsplash, the pictures you can use here are free. Pixabay, another resource, is free. Pixel as well is free. So you can get pictures from these places and use it for your website, and nobody will come after you for using their picture, because the people that put it there, they purposely put it there for free, that can be used for any design, you know. These are the images currently there, but for now, for the training purposes, I'm just going to use the image I searched for here. So because if you're putting your website on a production mode, because like that is having it on a live server, you might not try this, because the owners of the picture will certainly come after you. Save image. I like this picture, that is why I'm taking it. You just select where to save it. We'll just save it to pictures. Save. Okay. Okay, the picture is downloaded. As you can see from here. Now click here, show in folder, to locate where it's downloaded to. This is the picture. It's in my picture. I save it to pictures, then go back to the website. From here, then you just click select, or you could just drag it and drop it here. You could use that. Just click the image from here, drag to this place, and it will upload. Then click choose image. There we have it. Have a background for our website, but as you can see, the image is repeating, so we check here and see if we want to repeat. Fill screen, so it doesn't repeat again. I think I like it this way. Now you can scroll down. That's all for this. For us to have these changes effect on our website, we have to hit this publish button. Close the other tabs, open. Close these tabs. Then refresh the page to see the changes. Well, here we have it. We successfully added a background to our website. This is a part of customization. This is how you customize your website. Now that we are done with this, you can now go back. Okay, now that we are done adding the background image, the next thing is to go to widgets. But the next menu, the next item here is menu, so we'll skip menu for now. So come to that when we are adding pages, web pages to our website. So just go to widgets. Here we will have these are widgets currently on the site. Let's scroll down. For now, for this theme, the only widget this theme has is footer. Or maybe some other themes will have footer, some will have header, and some will have sidebar as well as a widget, and they will allow you to customize it from here. It is the same way that we are going to customize this footer, that you can also, it's also applicable to both sidebar and headers. But for now, this theme only comes with footer, but whatever you learn from this editing of the footer widget is also applicable to headers and likewise sidebars. So let's jump in. For now, we have about 5 widgets, sorry: search, recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories. So we can have it up to 6. Like this empty space can also have a widget. So what we are going to do is that we are going to delete all these widgets and learn how to add widgets on our own. Just come here, click these 3 dots, remove search, click this as well, remove category, then uncategorize. So now this the widgets are bars 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can now tap on it and add our desired widget. For now, on this, in this first widget, I'm going to add a logo, an image, a picture to it. We just choose from media library. I'll put my logo. That is it. The first widget, I put my logo there. second widget, I can put something else. Maybe I'll just put a headings. Sorry, I'll just put about. Then click here, so we can add an item under this about list. I'll say about us, contact us, services, gallery. I think that's okay for now. So I can go to the next widget. Maybe this I will just put my contact under this widget for people to know how to locate my office, for easy locating of my office. Then I'll just put heading and I'll call it contact. I'll click here to have this to toggle this button on, add block. I'll say paragraph. I'll click here, type address. You just put your office address there. Enter key. I'll put email. This could be your official email, that is info@yourdomainname.com, instead of using Gmail, but for the sake of this training I'm using Gmail. Then phone number, you can bold this, bold, and bold. Okay, I have successfully edited the 3 of the widgets, so I think I'm okay with this. But if you want to add more, you can continue to add to here, and the rest. For us to have this changes effect on our website, we will have to hit the publish button. So once it's done publishing, so we can head on to the next tab and refresh the page, refresh the website. Yeah, scroll down. Now we can see the widget we added, the logo, the about, and the contact. So as it been we added more, we would have seen them down here, but for now that is okay for me. Like I said earlier, the same way we edit the footer, we added widgets to the footer, is applicable to both sidebars and the header. Should you have a team that requires that gives you a room to add a widget to both sidebars and headers, is the same way. You just come to widgets, you see all the widgets available. If you have sidebar, footer, or header, they will all align here. You choose the one you want to edit, and add the required widgets and move on. For now, home page will come to that, except this we will leave those ones for now. This will mark the end of this series, mark today's series of this training. Rather, this will be the end of this episode of this training. See you in my next video. But before you go, if you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure you like and hit that subscription button below for you to get notified whenever I drop a video. Thank you.